Hello friends! Today's we're testing GMGS PRO V3 MT4 Advanced Forex Trading EA. Here I will showing the product's details. Set files, XAUUSD, GBPUSD plus Euros, future sets. Platform, MetaTrader for MT4. Currency pairs, XAUUSD, Euros, GBPUSD, USD-JPY, August, USD-CAD. Timeframes, M15, M30, H1 recommended. Minimum deposit, $50 C+. Leverage, 1 to 100, 1 to 200, 1 to 500 recommended. Account type works with ECN, standard, micro, and send accounts. Single account license for month $49. Single account license for year $227. Single account license for lifetime $347. Use 7 DOIS demo account trial. Here you see the live account performance. 12.97% plus gain and growth. Drawdown is only 6%. Profit trade 73% win rate. Now see the trading history. Now let's see the MetaTrader for in action. Here see the inputs. Now start the backtesting without any error. Initial deposit is $1,000. Total net profit is GMGS PRO V3 only in 7 days profit $472. With the drawdown is to low 3%. Get the link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. Now visit our website Grow More Grow Safe and grab IT now. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.